looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, hip strut walking, a little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious, somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT and hustling, chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people.
This is the beginning of meiosis. In prophase, the cell membrane disappears and homologous chromosomes appear and assemble. The centromeres are the black dots being drawn in now. Now, in the beginning of metaphase, the spindle fibers shoot out and connect to the centromeres. Then, in anaphase, it splits them in half, equally, mixing up the DNA. Now, in anaphase, it pulls it to the opposite poles of the cell, and this pinching occurs. This is telophase. Now in telophase, it's the beginning of the separation of the cells. All the organelles go to opposite sides or opposite poles and assemble. This is nuclear membrane. They now have 2 of them being formed in telophase with homologous chromosomes, with each a centromere in the middle, the black dot. Then it goes into cytokinesis, which is separation of cells, and then the beginning of prophase 2. Then prophase 2 is ended and goes to metaphase. Spindle fibers shoot out and connect to the homologous chromosomes, just like before, but they're 2 separate ones with mixed DNA. The spindle fibers shoot out, connect to the centromeres, the black dots, and connect to them. When this happens, it turns to anaphase. In an anaphase, separation of the homologous cells happens again. Now this is the second time happening. This is the second mixture between the DNA. Now in anaphase, they're separated, pulled to opposite sides of the poles, and goes to telophase 2. This is just like the other telophase. The pinching occurs, and the nucleus are formed again, 2 separate ones for each cell, with the chromosomes on the inside, with their own centromeres. Then the spindle fibers are separated in each pole like before. Then after telophase, they begin to stretch and separate into 4 haploid cells. Now they are haploids because interphase didn't have enough time. As you can see in previous slides, there was a faster interphase. Now interphase didn't actually happen because the replication of DNA wasn't allowed. This allowed them to have 4 separate haploid cells with mixed DNA. And that is the end of meiosis.